Hey guys and girls, just wanted to shoot you a quick little video on setting up your Wilo Maxo for constant flow mode. So as always, I like to scroll down and do a factory reset first. Spin our dial, push our bob, factory settings, confirmation. It'll go through a reboot mode, which only takes a minute. And again, I like to do this so that if you find the pump in the field or you're teching out here, that you make sure that you have a blank slate to start with. Then it'll say start with factory settings. That's what we want. So we're going to set the pump up for constant flow. It's in dynamic adapt right now. So you're going to scroll your magic wheel down to the little gear cog. Click on it. Settings assistant. Click on the button. Current setting assistant. Click. Now there's a bunch of presets in here which kind of make it confusing, but we only need to go down to basic control modes. This will give you a list of all the control modes. Scroll down to volume because we're trying to maintain a constant flow. Click on that. You can actually pre-program your start point if you want. Let's scroll it down to, let's say, around 6 GPM or so. Let's go 6.2. Click. And then we'll back out, go back to our home screen to show everything that's going on. So we have it set point for 6.2. You can see our GPM is 6.2, but at this point on the curve, our pressure drop is 3.3. I'm going to double check my flow on my ultrasonic flow meter. So we're right in the ballpark, 6.3. And what I'm going to do is, on my little hydronic training thing here, I have a whole bunch of balance valves. These are wide open right now. But at the top, I have the bypass wide open. So we have the pump set for constant flow. Again, this is, or not again, but real quick, this is 3/4 inch pipe going to 1/2 inch. So if I close this bypass, it's going to force water through my tree. And there should be more pressure drop because I'm choking down the pipe. Scroll back around. So here we are, just to confirm one more time, 6 and 3.3. Now I'm going to close my bypass valve. And we should see an increase in pressure drop on our Wilo pump, which of course we see. It's jacked up, even though we're still at 6 GPM, around 8 feet ahead. 6 GPM, we can confirm that with our ultrasonic. 6.7. So we're right in the ballpark here. That'll level out. Good. All right, so we'll open up our bypass again and you guys can see. Back up so you can see my whole loop here. Come back down and around and you'll see our pressure is dropping as it hunts for that GPM again. This is great for a system that has two-way valves in it. Say a big house or a room closes and you're trying to maintain a constant flow. All right, hope that helps, guys.